So what do you all make of the pocket rocket, Shelly and Fraser-Pryce's first exercise gallop of the season? How Mommy Rocket look, 200 meters the distance. She ran the curve hard. She covered the field, hit the straight in front, and then shut it down with about 20 meters to go. Easy breezy, second place, 22.79. How she look? Not so impressive. Understand to make Shelly trick on her. You heard what she said after the race. She was running to the coach's instructions, and no medal is won at this little track meet. Remember now, Mommy Rocket is the very best in the business at peaking at the right time for big championship events. We're not even sure she's going to be doing the sprint double, or she will just be defending her 100 meters title. And speaking of which, another reason why Shelly is taking it so easy is because as the defending champion, she has a bye to the World Championships and will not have to run at the trials to qualify. So basically, Shelly can just ready up for the championships in July. So understand make Mommy Rocket first race fool on her. At 10.5 and 10.4. Me and she talk about so understand 10.5 and 10.4.